Hey guys, here what I'm going to show you is the Festool Domino DF500. This tool has made life a lot easier, especially putting any kind of joinery that would require like a mortise and tenon or anything. This completely replaces all of that, and I'll show you why, and I'll show you how it works. So this is a tool. If you were to pick this up and feel it, it is solid. It is very well constructed. You have your on-off switch right here. You have your different widths right here that you need to set it to depending on the tenons that you're using. You have your adjustments for the different types of tenons and the depths that you're going to go. And then you also have the heights right here of depending on how thick your wood is. But this goes from 90 degrees all the way down and vice versa. So this would be 90. 180, so if you need to go directly down. Mine came with the sustainer box. That's how I bought it. It definitely keeps me a lot more organized. The dust collection on here, it works fantastic. Definitely hook up a vacuum to it because it kind of does clog up a little bit. I've used it without a vacuum. Highly recommend having a vacuum hooked up to it. I mean, it keeps everything cleaner anyway. There are a couple attachments on here. So if you're doing some tenons or anything like that on either, I don't know, drawer faces or some frames or anything like that, this definitely helps. So what this does is you put the piece of wood right through here, and this slides right on to this piece right here, and then it locks in. I'm not going to go all the way through it, but it definitely helps. And there's other pieces in here that you can use that this came with that would definitely be helpful. You definitely have different sizes bits that you would have to use. So this is like the 10. So this is for like bigger joinery and everything like that. Right now I have a 5 in there for some small joinery stuff. These tools to take on and off. And it's so easy to do this because all you do, you unlock it, you pull that off, you push on this little right there, and then it locks it, and then you can go ahead and exchange your bit. And then this is so easy. There we go. Had it stuck a little bit, but that slides in relatively easy. And I'm going to show you. So right here, we have some boards. So you drive in. So this is the tenon right here, and then you have the mortise that's inside that this tenon is sitting in. And you can see there's a little gap, but this is pretty precise. This is a must-have if you're looking for efficiency in your shop. I really have enjoyed this. I've used hours on it, and it makes things so much quicker, so much easier, because Festool really makes some really precise equipment. And this tool right here has saved so much time. I highly recommend it. Whether you go for the DF500, there's also a bigger size depending on your need. But I highly recommend this. This has been such a time saver in the shop, and I hope you would actually consider getting this because I 100% recommend this.